I'm beautiful. Thank you for knowing it. Let him not tell you that you look beautiful and get excited. You all and then you begin pulling the price. I also can't look at his face. And whenever you find him, you behave that way.
I
could move when I tell myself that I'm beautiful. And whenever you could speak it to me, you can't excite me. And it seemed not to be me. I'm a different person. I know how to encourage myself. After I had just gotten married, let me tell you, I have certain. My dad passed on when I was still young, so I wanted a man who could handle me carefully.
You're smart.
What I liked always that whenever I put on well, I expected someone to tell me that you're smart. I also that you like now, when I was still a bride, I put on my clothes. I had plaited my hair. We had no child. We were only two, I and my husband in the house. But we spent the year. I waited for the comment, but this man never commented. I said, what is happening? That's how we behave, we ladies. That is now someone is looking at me like a TV. After he refused to make a comment, I went back to the dressing mirror. And I stood and I looked at myself. I turned around. He's just sitting there. After I made a comment on myself,
I am smart.
He looked at me. As you know, my husband, he just looked at me and laughed. After he laughed, I told him, don't argue. And I told him, if you're still arguing, we shall move together in the town. By the time I go back to the street,
wow, beautiful.
All you said, wow, beautiful. Let's leave that. This is what I wanted to tell you, that let you not be excited because of the small one they are telling you. Just trust your soul. Believe in your soul. That I'm a valuable person. And God did it and added it all to you, a value of His plan. Even though you got people who are telling you negative words, today take it that you are so valuable.
Baby.
Those words that you see from God. And you also in your face because they are told you
baby now.
Baby. Now you also begin to adopt the characters of babies, the walking style, the face outfit. Why you not call the baby as you were still a young person? Even my mom told me that I'm her baby. I'm telling you this world that we go through, for I know it well.
young baby say, "Ongani chitufa atendi baby wa mama wangu." Abawala bokaba mpubi.
Let only the girls wake me.
Kati mwabalenzi mulekerawo okubebiza bonna.
Oh baby, boys, stop babysitting.
Our boys ngabe
Boys, let me say.
Ungani. Babies abaleke.
Don't babysit them, leave them.